Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display an extremely large list of items using LazyVStack in SwiftUI for native iOS application. So here it's extremely simple. First I'll show you the output. So here you can see I'm displaying a list of items inside a list, and here I have just defined an array of items. So this is like an array of strings, and it's named as items. So here I have just filled some dummy data, but in your case it could be a struct. Your data might be coming from an API. So yeah, use whatever data you have. It should be an array. And here firstly we require a scroll view. If you don't take the scroll view, you won't get the scrolling thing, like you won't be able to scroll it. That's why we require this scroll view. And here we take LazyVStack, so that if suppose I have item 1, item 2 at the very top, if I scroll it, item 1 and 2 are no longer visible, but we get item 14 and 15. So it reuses item 1 and 2 to display item 14 and 15. So that's why we are using LazyVStack. And here we just have to use a for each loop and pass your array. And this id I have made it as self, because I don't have an id property. Like typically if you get data from an API, you might get an id property as well. So here you can assign the id property. If there is no such thing, then you can just use .self. So whatever is the item, it will assign it to this id. And here we get up each and every id, and here I am just using the text widget, text view, and just assigning our item to it. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.